Hello, very good day to you. Welcome to your latest Scotland weather update brought to you by the Met Office. Quite a bit of rain around as we go through the next few days, and that's the theme overnight for many, particularly across some eastern, northeastern parts of Scotland. Some persistent rain lingering here, and we are likely to see a bit of hill snow mixed in with this. Initially through the evening, we're talking above 900 to 1,000 metres or so, but as we go through the night across some parts of northern Scotland, we could see a little bit of sleet or snow to slightly lower levels, around 500 to 600 metres perhaps. Something a little bit drier, perhaps clearer out towards western parts and also around the central belt, but towards the far south of Scotland we will see some outbreaks of rain starting to push their way in as we head towards dawn. Because of the cloud and the rain, many places aren't going to turn particularly chilly, generally temperatures holding up around mid-single figures, but towards the north-northwest of Scotland, perhaps where we see some clear skies, we may just about get a touch of frost first thing on Wednesday morning. Otherwise, through Wednesday, and for many, it is going to be a bit of a damp start, particularly across eastern parts, and in the south we are going to have some heavy persistent rain, so do watch out for some spray on the roads if you are heading out during the morning rush hour. But towards more northern western parts, the Northern Isles, the Outer Hebrides for example, actually looking largely fine, and there may even be some bright spells as we go through the morning, and it's staying largely fine here as we head into the afternoon too, but elsewhere sticking with the largely cloudy and at times wet theme, albeit the rain across southern parts breaking up a little bit and not turning quite as heavy as it will be during the morning. Still the chance of some winteriness over the higher ground though. Because of the cloudy wet weather, it is going to feel a little bit unpleasant at times across many central southern parts and even further north, although it is going to be largely dry. Some brisk winds here and a chilly wind, adding to the fact that it is actually going to feel quite chilly or cold for many. Later on, as we go through Wednesday evening, the rain pushes its way northwards, and so for many it is going to be a pretty wet end to the day. More hill snow likely for a time, and in fact as the wet weather feeds into far northern parts of Scotland where we have some colder air, we could see something wintry to slightly lower levels for a time as we go through Wednesday night and into Thursday. Otherwise through Thursday, and there's something of a reversal of fortunes compared to what we see on Wednesday, in as much as the Northern Isles, the Hebrides, where we have largely dry weather on Wednesday, are actually looking pretty damp with outbreaks of rain on Thursday. Meanwhile, eastern parts of Scotland, around Aberdeenshire for example, where it's been pretty wet recently, actually looks largely dry on Thursday, but mostly cloudy, and there will be a few outbreaks of rain here and there, perhaps some showers towards southern parts. Greatest chance of some bright or sunny spells will be here in between any showers. It's also here where we're going to see the highest temperatures on Thursday, could get into double figures. Elsewhere, many places seeing highs ranging from the mid to high single digits. That's it for me. Remember, there is more unsettled weather to come as we go through this week, particularly Friday into Saturday, so it is worth staying up to date by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Bye-bye.